Hey booze, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this gorgeous, stunning, like, it looks like I grew it myself, honestly. I had a hard time convincing myself, hey, this is not your hair. Like, when I have to part ways with these clip-ins, today I'm wearing 18-inch clip-ins in the Water Wave Kinky Curly Coily 4A 4B texture from Curlsqueen, all right? And I'm going to take you guys to see the unboxing to see exactly what I got in the package, and I'm going to show you how I styled it. I decided to do styling and defining of the curls before I install the clip-ins, just so that I could, it can be a little bit easier for me instead of having to rake through all of the hair. Of course, you have to do all of the prepping, you have to do the washing, conditioning, the tangling, and then the install, because this is human hair. This has been treated to give the texture of Afro type 4 hair. So, type 4 hair needs love. But look at, like, honestly, this is like 10 years of hair growth for me, accelerated with these clip-ins. I never thought I'd get such like a perfect texture match. Look at this. You cannot tell me this is not growing out of my scalp. So come with me, let me show you the unboxing, the installing, and then we'll chat. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Okay, sweets. So this is the end of the installation. As you guys saw, it was super simple, and I had to readjust some of the order of the clips, and I put in the video. So if you didn't see it, I put in the video where I ended up leaving the clip in, so you know how I got this particular look. The thing is, though, that you're going to have to play around depending on what style you want. If you want a side part, if you want a half up, half down, whatever, you're going to have to play around with the order of the clips. You can even put it in a bun, you can put it in a ponytail. You're going to have to just move around the clips to kind of blend in with the hair that you're leaving out and to get the style that you want. So this hair is extremely versatile. It's super beautiful. Like, I've gotten so much compliments. Somebody told me I look like Hollywood. I was like, okay, you're doing too much, but thank you. Yeah, I just absolutely love the hair. It's very lightweight. It seems so low maintenance because when I put on my bonnet at night and then take it off in the morning, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and it does come with its own bonnet. Yeah. You can't sleep with these clip-ins in your head. You don't have to take them out every time you're going to sleep and put them back in the morning. You don't have to do that. It's not high tension. And if there is something that's pulling, you just unclip that bad boy, go take your rest, and fix it up in the morning. Love, love, love this hair. They're going to have to fight me to get this out of my head, honestly. Gorgeous. 10 out of 10. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Curlsqueen, for sending me this hair. I love it so much. And I hope you guys love it as well. If you want a discount code, check my description box below. It's going to have all the details as to what kind of hair I used. And there are also some additional styles of hair that are featured. I'm linking it down below. So just go check out Curlsqueen. You're not going to be disappointed. You can look at the rest of reviews. A lot of reviews on YouTube. Girls just like me or girls with whatever different hair texture, like matching their hair up with these extensions from Curlsqueen, all right? So definitely check out the description box below, the link in the description box below, and leave me a comment. Tell me what style you'd like me to do with this. Tell me what style you would like me to do with these clip-ins so I can make a dedicated video for that. And don't forget to leave me some love in the comment section. Share this with your friends and fam. Save it. See you guys in the next one. Love you so much. Bye.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.